Logan here with FlexArm, and the path of destruction continues with our out with the old, in with the new promo. We've got an old FlexArm over there that we're gonna crush. We've got a disassembled M60 here in the hydraulic press. Let's see what happens. That was all right. Let's see what happens this time. If you have an old pneumatic tapping arm and are interested in the new hydraulics, give us a call, 1-800-837-2503. Come join our path to destruction. You're gonna love what we have in store for next time.